lovely students.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, Miss.
How are you, my students?
I feel great today.
Students, Miss wanna check attendance list. Putri,
Present, Miss.
1, 2, 3.
Bulan.
Present, Miss.
Okay, before we start our lesson today, please pray.
Start pray. Finish.
The topic today is about conditional sentence. The type of conditional sentence, the first is conditional type 0. Okay? Conditional type 0 is used to express general threat situation in which one thing always causes another. When we use conditional type 0, we are talking about general threat rather than specific instance of something. Right. So, this is the definition, and then the formula is if plus simple present, comma, blank 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 plus simple present. Next, the example of conditional type 0. The first, if you heat water to 100 degrees, it boils. Next, the second, if babies are hungry, they cry. Until here, do you understand, my students?
No, Miss. Miss, I want to ask, why in the first example there is no to be, but in the second example there is a to be inside of the sentence?
Alright, it's good question. Alright, so Miss can answer my lovely students. Why? The first and the second example is there is different. The first, there is no to be, right? And the second, there is to be. So, in here, you as subject and he is the verb. So, when there is a verb, we don't put a to be in the sentence, right? And then here's also it as subject and boils is verb. So why we cannot put because boils as a verb? Why it's we put as? Because the subject is singular. So if subject singular, the pattern is use simple present. So we put s after boil. In here, in the second example, if babies are hungry, they cry, right? So babies as a subject, and then hungry is adjective. So if there is no verb in the sentence, but there is an adjective, we should put to be. Why the to be is are? Because here, babies, it is plural. So we should put to be are. And then here, why there is no to be? Because it is they as a subject and then cry as a verb. So we don't put to be. Okay. Understand, my students?
Understand, Miss.
Okay. The next type of conditional sentence is conditional type 1. Conditional type 1 is used to guaranteed to happen in the future. Right? Okay, Miss wanna write the definition. Alright. Next, the formula of conditional type 1. If plus simple present, comma, blank blank blank, plus simple future. Simple future in here, use will or shall. Right. So, next, the example. If I have enough money, I will buy some new dress. And the next example, the second example, if I study hard, I will pass the examination. So here the example. If I have enough money, I will buy some new dress. So it is like a formula of conditional type 1. If plus simple present, here simple present used to be have, and then next comma bang 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 plus simple future. Simple future, the to be is will or shall. Why we use will? Because the subject is I. Next, second, if I study hard, I will pass the examination. If plus simple present in here study, because study is verb, so we don't put the to be like the present sentence. The present sentence put to be have, but
We don't
here,
put to be.
we don't put. Next, blank 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 plus simple future. In here, simple future is will. The to be, the subject is I, so the to be is will. Okay, until here, do you understand, my lovely students?
Yes, Miss.
Alright, next, the third is conditional type 2. Conditional type 2 is used for expressing outcomes that are completely unrealistic or will not likely happen in the future. Okay, Miss, wanna write the definition? Here, the definition of conditional type 2. The formula of conditional type 2. The formula if plus simple past comma blank 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 plus past future. Past future in here use would or should. Okay. Next, the example. I
If.
had a lot of money. I would travel around the world. The second example, if they had not enough money, they would not buy dress. So, the example. The first, if I had a lot of money, I would travel around the world. The meaning, jika saya mempunyai banyak uang, saya akan keliling dunia. The second example, if they had not enough money, they would not buy a dress. The meaning, jika mereka tidak memiliki cukup uang, mereka tidak akan membeli baju. Here, if plus simple past. Simple past in here had simple past. And then blank comma blank 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 plus past future would travel around the world. Next, the second, here if plus simple past had enough money, and then comma blank 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 plus past future in here would. Okay, why in here had not? Because it is negative sentence. The meaning is tidak cukup uang, had not enough money. And then next in here, we should use negative simple past future in negative. They would not buy a dress. Okay, until here, do you understand, my lovely student? Okay, next is conditional type 3. Conditional type 3 is used to explain that present circumstance would be different if something different had happened in the past. Okay, the formula of conditional type 3. If plus past perfect, comma, blank 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 plus past future perfect. The formula of past future perfect is subject plus would plus have plus be. Okay, next, the example of conditional type 3. If I had studied hard, I would
Have.
pass the examination. Okay, until here, do you understand, my lovely student?
Yes, understand, Miss.
Okay, my students, Miss wanna give you a exercise. So here the exercise. Okay, my lovely student, here the exercise. Just 3 questions. Okay, please answer, and then if you have answer the first and the second question, who knows? Please raise your hands and then please give a reason why you choose A, B, C, or D. Okay, thank you. Finish, my lovely students.
Finish, miss.
Yes. Okay, if you finish, who can answer the first question?
E, ma'am.
E. Okay, right, Bulan. Why you choose A?
Because it includes the conditional type 1. The pattern if plus simple present plus simple future.
Yes, right. Because it's include conditional type 1. Alright. Okay, next question. Who can answer the second question? Okay, Putri. What the answer?
It's C.
Alright. C. Why you choose C?
Because it use the second
Condition.
second of conditional text. It's and the pattern is if plus simple past plus past future.
Right. Okay. The third. Anybody know
What?
is the answer?
No.
No.
Okay. The answer is B. Who is right? Number 3. Alright, Putri yes. Bulan wrong.
Ma'am,
Oh, wrong. A. Okay.
D, ma'am.
Wrong. The answer is B. So, Putri, congratulations. You get 100. Okay? Bulan, you get 75. Okay. Right. Okay. So, today, Miss happy to teach your class because they because my students, all of my students understand about conditional sentence.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, until here,
Yes.
the explanation about conditional sentence. Okay, see you next week. Bye bye, my lovely students.
Bye, 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 miss.